coach. Shoba fair to welcome to another beautiful, fun, exciting episode of Cast and Class. And I mean, that's good, beautiful, great finals to Nkupi the entertainer. Because sorry to me. Well, I just look at me no group. As seedless, ready as seedless, Papa. He's gonna deal with toy. Video nga mabanda lo na litama. Ba lo na litama. Come on. I don't see dama.
E ke na le tsona ta nyo di yang wa di nyaka. Ta ri ngata tori tjeng.
If it vanag re exit. The bleed.
Tobela. Popera.
I want to say do go even everything.
526.
Yeah. We have gotten here. We have gotten here. I think the last time when you saw us, we were busy driving, leaving the blind and coming back to here we stay. To here where we stay. So yeah. Si arrivile. Si fitlile, si lendile. We removed all the luggage. All the luggage is now gone. And we are back here. Where we stay. Pretoria North. How do you know this place? Those who know, they know. Those who remember, they remember. So, it's there. So, ever since we got here, the only thing I've been wondering is that when are we going back to the Blight? Guys, I loved the Blight. The Blight had a chilled vibe. It was nice. Tumelo must tell me why he calls these covers. He must tell me. Not today. Not today, though. He must tell me why he calls this covers. Anyway, after we leave this place, listen to me. The way I love being on the road, I'm already talking about leaving, and we just arrived. Guys, I just want to show you the car that I'm in. How nice it is looking. Guys, to give this guy a break. Guys, you are aware of these are Mercedes, high Mercedes seats. Right, these are the high Mercedes seats, which I think Kichona would want to more social brand. Would you want to more or Kitty Fee? Chela need logo AMG. AMG, they have this thing here. Logo. And the logo will be written AMG. So cheeky leather, and then I sing wali AMG. Mo in a gap on a challenge AMG packet in a AMG your light amok. So if this sockets about A200, A200, A180, and the bag looks like that, and they just limit space here at the back, so you won't really enjoy having passengers, which Tumelo never has anyway. So the car itself is looking like this. The way it tucks front and rear. Front and rear. Yeah, I wanted the light to be like that. I wanted the light to be like that. Oh, it's also on the air suspension. Also on the air suspension. How do you get such a weird number plate? DY8 and DY. And the sound. Remember, I don't like playing sound because when you play sound, which means you're gonna have to be compromising some stuff. See? All right. See, the space at the back is not for someone to come and sit. These expensive things, they add much difference. They add so much difference. You must check the car out without these things and check the car out with these things. And this side we're having our workhorse. Our workhorse. It also recently got sound. Also recently got some because I was here, I unlocked it, I came here, unlocked the car. Here's the sound. This is the sound we put in just so there is no silence in here. It used to be silence in court, but there is no silence anymore. A young, good two-sub. I don't know where they put the amps and how they did it, but it's like this now. Even on the other side, it's like this. Even on the other side, it's like this. Yes, yeah. Right. I'm waiting for the gents show so we. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, I need to do this so you can see clean. See? That's a young two-sub. So we can enjoy while we drive to wherever we're going. Whatever we do, we'll just tell BYK. Whatever we do, we'll just tell BYK. Whatever we want, we just tell BYK. Oh, there's the. Oh, yeah. They gave us this. Where we were, they gave us this. Spinners. Right. Okay, what's that? Let me go in, I'm coming. Guys, I was chilling in the house, thinking we were gonna spend this day chilling. They just called me and said we're leaving. We are leaving, and we're going to Nkupi. Let me join them. We're going to Nkupi, guys. Let's go to Nkupi. We're leaving here. We're leaving you guys. But where are they? Because Katra said it's this side. Katra said he is this side. And I'm not seeing him. He said he's this side. By the time I have to go and join them. I also want to go to social. Let's go to social, guys. Let's go. Oh, they're there. My friend. Lile guy. Hadi lile guy, my friend. Wadile go ni. Awe mdu. Lile guy hadi. Bana mongo na basi. Bai gata jwang. Go pela kilo. Ke ya gago tjo. A se maguru ke ya gago. What a ride outside the car. Look at him. Bahana go hai aba umuha go hai no. Kan what's ba jor ke rilam. Bahana go hai green. Or ba. Baring go hai bahan. Bariling kan go en. Then varing. Ba betili. Moro na mitse motho. Mona wa wena le gold mona go bone mo. E tla mo mo. Go mo le. Bo, tla go botse in 10 years. Tlosaltso. Tla go sainyaka wa zo. Reach. No yo no. Mbontshe yo. Arbo gold. We tell guy. Bo, tla go botse, tla go. Ngo.
Makhaleme ka boga.
O lo ke tsikima.
Ke baba.
Urile o nyaka gold wena. King.
Ke founetse maphosa
Aring?
Ke founetse maphosa tsa 500.
Jalo des. A fetsa vai.
Mapho.
Juweno hana girile.
Why you walk with?
Wa go tiri ka ra sego.
Uncle.
What?
Why you walk with?
Ikhuile. Apo ka se motibise for best la.
Okay.
Aga sa botsoa. Seri. Ba motibisi. Wa rila. Binsa. Kwena mangu dieng. Apeta kwena mang? Afuna katale ya wena. Ale tshwani bi. Wena codes by Mpo. Kwena codes by Mpo. Ere ke nna codes by Mpo. Remember gila. Can you be I say as gulu.
le Fabiano sawa.
Hello.
Away.
Awela. I'm holding on to dear life. I'll be same. Tumelo, ole ya tsayeng. Ka tswe o ka dikapeng. O ka dikapeng.
Content creator.
Katra versus car. Man. Le nyo go baletsa Katra leng.